You're watching RRLRC, home of backyard RC car racing.
Last round, Cullen cruised to a much-needed victory, but the main story was Post Buggy breaking early in the race, finishing last. Here in round 6, the 3DRC qualifying results show us Cullen edged Post yet again for pole position in the field of 4. We are ready to bring you all of the action from Tiki Run, featuring the new double jump just put in place days ago. That should add to the excitement this afternoon.
Howdy, y'all. That there double jump ain't playing around. I'm looking for that blue car or Post to bounce back today.
Already a hang-up for the Team Losi Buggy of Johnston around turn 1. Welcome, backyard remote control race fans. Cam Cullen here, pleased to be joined by Lars Dencher. Lars, what makes Post the racer to watch today?
After he broke his buggy early last round, Post has a track record of winning after not winning. Last round's race was so boring, it dang near made me fall asleep on the commo. That's why I literally bet the farm on a Post victory today.
Whoa, that's one heck of a gamble, Lars. It's been a great start for Cullen in the orange car. He's been really quick.
Yeah, buddy. Post's been very focused on the back bumper of Cullen, looking for a bobble to pass opportunity.
1 and 2 around the technical section, separated by only a few car lengths. Post putting all kinds of pressure on Cullen with a minute down.
Oh, Cullen got a little bit crossed up on turn 1 going the long way around.
Tacky track conditions on this late August day, and these tires are really digging deep for grip as we take a quick look at Nelson hanging around in third place, a few seconds off pace.
The leaders are door to door.
Cullen goes inside, then out. Oh, a beautiful slide job by Post to overtake Cullen for the lead. They shoot their way up the front straightaway.
Woo, Nelly. Post looked like he was shot out of a cannon, man. Did you see that gap he just opened up on that there jump exit?
It's the battle of the two team-associated drivers up front.
That's Cullen's first big mistake.
2 rounds remain in this RRLRC Backyard Buggy Series, sure to come down to the wire. Don't miss the action. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
I tell you what, I love ringing things.
Cullen's looking for an apex off the turn. Oh, that'll help him. Post hits the cushion. He's only a few car lengths ahead.
Still looking good on my bet for Post to win, but I'll tell you what, I'm nervous fiddle hold. If Cullen thinks he could get a good run here, the you-know-what is going to hit the fan.
Now, what could possibly make you say that, Lars?
Well, with Uncle Jebby coming back from Alaska soon, if he gets wind of this one, I'm afraid he's gonna hit me. And with great Uncle Esau, if he sees us together losing this here farm, there might not be a Lars Dencher Jr.
And for kids listening at home, this is exactly why you don't gamble. Meanwhile, our leader's actively searching for the fast line around the double. A little bobble by Post won't hurt him all that much. This track has really developed some character.
Yep, the track is starting to go away just a little bit. Oh, Cullen hits that turn into the corner pipe and head on. I expect roots, rocks, and gremlins to appear as these racers start backing it in on some more sharp turns.
Our cameras just captured Post itching his ear. Oh, into the cushion goes Post.
Come on now, those dang nab gnats. Post forgot his bug spray, that no good sack of
Look at these buggies hot on Post's heels. Cullen is not letting our race leader get away. Oh, Post bicycled and saved it. Almost over-rotated. He went a little too wide and left the door open for Cullen, who reclaims the lead.
Holy smokes. Last time I saw a maneuver that spectacular was when I used outdoor fireworks indoors. But I want to redo, Cam. Post cannot lose this race. No way, Jose.
We are just over the halfway point in this decisive round 6, and the calculated racer of Cullen finds himself out front ahead of the talented gunslinging blue buggy of Post for the second time today.
It's never over until the itty-bitty end. Oh, giddy up, Post.
Well, the series just might be over for Johnston, currently in last. He's having all kinds of problems with the buggy program that is simply not translating.
Big-time elevation by Post over the double. He's turning up the heat. Look out.
Oh, Johnston hits the cushion and takes the race leader with him. Post is now right back in the mix.
Second place ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Here comes Post.
Nelson hits the double jump, followed by Cullen and Post.
Owie.
Oh, ricochets off the lip, but lands on all fours. Cullen aims to extend his points lead and rattle off back-to-back wins at this crucial juncture in the series, not to mention go for the clean series sweep at Tiki Run. He's really trying to put his open cell Pro-Am blockade tires down to the ground.
With Post winning, I know what I said and I know what I meant, but that is not what I said I meant. Oh boy, do I have to get good with God after this here action. Cullen gets a great drive off these corners.
Sure does, and with about a minute and a half to go, it really seems like this race will come down to who can make the least amount of mistakes. As Post hits the corner too early, that requires a marshal. Nearly 6 seconds separate 1 and 2.
I'll tell you what, Post is an outcast. He loves the pressure. I'm expecting big things down the stretch. Holy sh**.
Whoa, Johnston got a double jump wrong and was a split second away from making contact and surely ending his day. We race on.
Wow, surviving is the word for it in another sensational bicycle save by Post entering that double. He's still pushing hard, trying to make up that ground.
This last minute is brought to you by 3D RC Racing, your RC car parts reimagined. Click the link in the description to learn more. Nothing but clean air ahead of the associated B6.1D of Cullen, but look out.
Woo!
Wow, Post is on the prowl. What a great concentration move, clearing the double.
Post really bonsai'd that jump and looked like he was shot out of some high-tech Japanese cannon.
Post is setting himself up for a really good final push.
Who's more nervous, me or Cullen right about now? Oh, shucks.
Despite his fast lap, Post now needs the marshal.
No, he was driving the wheels off that thing. It's one thing to fly far, but another thing when you have to negotiate the next few turns.
The conservative approach by Cullen along the double jump has paid off this afternoon, and he is on his way to the top of the box.
It's been one heck of a run today, partner, and it's gonna be some kind of showdown these next two races. I'll be sitting back, eating some applesauce, watching from my hospital bed.
Cullen makes it 2 wins in a row at Tiki Run as the racers finish their final lap in two-wheel drive stock buggy. Our cameras caught up with Cullen in the winner's circle.
Hey, able to keep it together for the second straight round in a row here in Buggy. We have this new feature all about just taking it slow and steady over that. I think the tires were really crucial to my success today. We're on to Red Hawk.
Well, Lars, the championship run for Backyard Buggy does not disappoint.
What an epic battle. This may come as a surprise, but I'm letting myself go feed the chickens one last time because if my bet pickle mean I'm leaving town.
Oh boy. Thank you for watching, race fans, and we'll see you next time for some RRLRC Backyard Racing.